Hi guys, welcome to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make grilled chicken. Now this grilled chicken, this is how I make my grilled chicken. Now you can use this grilled chicken, thin slices. When you go to our topperchef.com, I've shown you how to slice this chicken properly. And this is our Tony Chachere seasoning. So all I do is just put gently nice seasoning on both sides. And then I'm going to top it off with nice paprika on it. This paprika on it, so it looks nice and red. So this is what you're gonna do, all sides of the chicken, and let it sit for maybe half an hour or so. So you splatter this with nice oil, and then our chicken has been marinated, so you just put it on this and cook it all the way through on both sides. So here we are. And I added some paprika on it to give some color to it. Okay, so these are thin pieces. So all you're going to do is wait for the grill marks. There you go, see, nice. And then turn it 3 minutes on each side so it is cooked evenly everywhere. Okay, so now cutting the breast of chicken for our Alfredo. That's how you gotta cut it, one breast for each, and just put it nicely. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Follow us on social media and also subscribe to our blog, the topperchef.com blog. Happy cooking!